Pork ribs with rock sugar.
冰糖排骨
1.5 pounds chopped ribs. Each short rib is arranged in a pan. Four tablespoons cooking wine. Four tablespoons soy sauce. Four tablespoons vinegar. Four tablespoons crystal sugar. Mix well. Cover the pot and cook slowly on low heat. After about 20 minutes, open the lid and stir once to make sure that each short rib is coated. Do it again at about 40 to 45 minutes and check the sauce. Don't let the sauce burn out. After 5 minutes, open the lid and stir the short ribs until the sauce becomes thick and then turn off the heat. Start plating. Put a little cilantro on the short ribs and sprinkle a little white sesame seeds to complete the super delicious pork short ribs.